Today, we are going to learn how to change watch straps. To do so, we are going to need three things: replacement straps, a sharp tool, and a pair of spring bars. The watch that we have today is my Vintage Grand Seiko, which is paired with a navy blue Bulova Accutron strap, which has white stitching that matches really well with the dial of the Grand Seiko. I've been using it for a while, but now I need to change it as I have an event to attend where I'll be wearing brown shoes and I want the watch strap to complement my overall attire. So that's why I have picked out a dark brown leather strap that will be going well with the outfit. So the strap is an 18 strap because the Grand Seiko, this particular reference, requires an 18 strap to go with it. And the company for the strap is Condor. They make very good high quality leather straps. On the left side here, I have my mini Swiss knife, and I'll be using the knife's blade as the sharp tool that will be required to disengage the spring bars. So the drill is that we need to place this blade between the lug and the strap where the strap is joining the case, and then we need to push it forward slightly and it will disengage. The spring bar that I'm talking about looks pretty much like this. It's a small pin that enters through the hole of the strap. And the same thing is happening with the watch strap that has been attached right now. So it is joined over here with the case with a spring bar. So like I mentioned, I'll place the blade and I'll just push it forward, and here you go. It disengages and it will come out. So like I mentioned before, here's the pin and here's the strap hole. We have already done this for the brown strap. So we'll just proceed with putting it aside and removing the bottom half of the strap as well. So we'll follow the same drill, enter the blade and push it slightly, and here you go. This one has come off as well. And now we have the case to ourselves. We can put this strap aside as well and proceed with the brown one. Since I've already added the pin on the top half, I'll do that. You can see the pin I added already over here. It is good to go. But before we add it, we need to ensure that the strap is of the right size for the watch. So I'll add this bottom half and check whether it fits between the lugs perfectly. And yes, it does, because I already calculated it, and for this reference we need an 18 strap. So over here I'll add the top one. The process is that you'll see a tiny hole in the case in the lug. This is where your spring bar edge will go in. So on the bottom side, I'm adding the spring bar into the hole, and same way I'm going to do it on the top end as well. I'll just use this tool to help the spring bar end go inside. It takes a bit of a hassle. It didn't go in. I'll try again, and now I think I should be able to, yeah, here you go. So now it's perfectly fit in the holes and it won't come off. I've ensured it, and we'll repeat the same drill for the bottom half of the strap. I'll add the pin over here, and we'll take this strap and following the same procedure, find the hole, add one end of the spring bar, and then using the tool add the other end of the spring bar as well. And I think I'll need another attempt over here as well. And here we go. I think this time I'll be able to get it, and yeah, I think I got it. Let me check it. I think, yeah, it's working fine. So now the straps have been attached and the watch is looking really good with the new strap. However, the job is not still done. This clasp for the strap is still remaining. I need to use this buckle, and I'll be removing it. It has a spring bar mechanism as well. We just pushed it out, and I'll be using the same buckle for the new strap, and hopefully it will fit because the straps are of the same dimensions. They are tapering off from 18 to 16 So I'll add the pin in between, and I'll be adding the spring bar to hold it right in position, and then I'll use the same mechanism for adding the strap. I'll push one end of the spring bar into the hole which is there in the buckle, as you can see, and we'll start. And this time I'm pushing with my finger, no need to use a tool. And here you go, we have the buckle installed as well. Voila, it looks really good. Can't wait to wear it now. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, do like and subscribe the channel for more informative videos.